हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम बैक। हैप्पी संडे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई subscribers recipes because you guys have been commenting a lot of recipes. So yeah, today let's try our first subscriber recipe. And if you guys haven't checked out our whole series on this, the series playlist will be on the I button. We have literally made so many videos on this series. So if you guys are interested, then make sure to click that and check out our whole series. So yeah guys, now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. And let's see whose recipe we are going to try today. So the recipe that we are going to try today is from Yatin, our literal best friend again. And this is the recipe that they told me to try. So as you guys can see, this is the recipe. So basically in this recipe they are making the slime without borax activator, and yeah, this is supposed to be a 24 karat gold slime, and they made the slime without borax activator. And then they didn't show how the activator was made, but they said that the recipe was in their description. So I went into their description and I've literally seen everything. I've used that activator before, so now I'm going to test all of it and tell you guys how to actually make that slime without going through all these steps right here in this one video. So yeah, if you guys are excited, then keep on watching. So now let's first make the activator that they made to activate their slime, which is like in another video which they didn't show obviously. So yeah, let's make the activator first. So for that you'll first need a bowl. So here's our bowl. So in this bowl you will need hot water. And you guys have to take hot tap water, not drinking water, because it doesn't work with drinking water. So we'll need some tap water. So yeah, let's get some tap water. So now in this I'm taking some normal tap water. I have taken normal tap water because I am making slime right now. Like if we have a very hot activator, it will kind of melt the slime away. So that's why I'm using normal temperature water. Now I'm going to add the second ingredient for making this activator, which is baking soda. So you'll need about this much baking soda, a little bit more if you want to make a more concentrated activator. So first make sure the baking soda is completely dissolved. Now we'll add our next ingredient and the main ingredient, which is boric acid, because this is how we will able to make an actual slime without borax, is by adding baking soda and boric acid. And this actually is like super cheap, like it's for like 25 rupees. So it's like super easily available in any pharmacy near you, and it's literally just for 25 rupees, and it makes a lot of activator. So it comes in a pouch like this. Now we'll add some boric acid and mix it all together. It is a little bit difficult to dissolve it in cold water, but that's why I'm telling you, you can use hot water and it will instantly dissolve. So yeah. So now that our activator is ready, we'll move on with making the base slime, which is like fevigum slime. So yeah, now let's make our 24 karat slime, and to make that we'll first need a bowl. So here's our bowl. So now our first ingredient is fevigum. So yeah, we'll take some fevigum into our bowl. I'm taking this whole bottle. You don't have to. We are going to add more water into it. So yeah, it will become like a lot. So if you don't have a lot, it's not really a big problem. The next ingredient that we're going to add is water. So yeah, let's add some water. So now, since this video is a 24 karat gold slime, we are using this spoon. Can you guys see how pretty this looks? Oh my god. Can you guys see how pretty this looks? Wow. So yeah, let's mix this. And before mixing, they also added yellow food coloring. Now I think yellow is not really that kind of like goldish, it just makes it yellow. I'm using like a burnt orange food coloring for this, and a gold glitter, since it makes it more goldish. So yeah, that is exactly what I'm going to do. So let's add some orange food coloring. Now it actually looks like a gold slime, doesn't it? Make sure to mix it properly. Mix everything together. And now we'll add our activator that we made before, the boric acid activator. So yeah, now let's start activating our slime, and just add a little bit of activator at a time and just mix. Okay, so yeah, let's activate our slime. It's activating, you guys. Oh my god. Can you guys see how cute? Oh my god, this looks so beautiful, you guys. Wow. And it's so clear, like it's not too bubbly. So now that our slime is fully activated, I'm going to add the last step, which is gold glitter, and make our slime a gold slime. So yeah, now let's add the glitter. I'm super excited, you guys. I'm going to add this whole container, so enjoy. Can you guys actually see how pretty this looks? Let me show you guys up close. This is such a nice slime, you guys. Even my camera can't focus on it, like it's literally so beautiful. So as you guys can see, this is how our slime looks, and it's literally just so beautiful, and I literally give it a 9.5 out of 10. Like, this is just so beautiful, and this recipe worked as well, and it's just so beautiful, you guys. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out our full playlist, and it has like amazing videos in it. So yeah guys, that's it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and please like this video if you guys want me to make more these kinds of videos. And I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.